Welcome to Mittu and Momo. Today we are going to see phonics sounds. This is letter A. A says a, 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 apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. This is an apple. A says a. B. B says b, b, b. B-A-L-L, ball. This is the ball. B says b, b, b. And C. C says k, k, k. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. And this is the small cat. Cat. C says k, k. Now D. D for dog. D, d, dog. D says d, d. Let's draw a dog. D says d, 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 dog. Next letter E. E for egg, egg. E says A, 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 egg, A, egg. So this is an egg, which is in oval shape. Next letter is F. F says F-I-S-H, fish. Now let's draw a fish. F says fish. This is a fish. Now let's go for another letter. This is letter G. G says G, 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 G. G for gun. G-U-N, gun. And this is our gun. This is our gun. G says G, G, G. And next H. This is letter H. And H says and H for hat. H-A-T, hat. And this is hat. H says this is our hat. Next letter. I. I says E, E, E. I for ink. I-N-K, ink. Now let's draw the ink pot. This is a ink pot. I says E, E, E. Next, J. J for jug. J says J, J, J. J, U, G. Jug. So, let's draw the jug. This is our jug. J says J, 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 J. This is our letter K. K says K, 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 K. K for kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. And this is our kite. This is our kite. K says K, K. And next. This is letter L. L says L, L, L. So, L-O-C-K. Lock, lock. So, let's draw the lock. Lock, lock. This is M, letter M. M says M for mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. So let's draw the mango. This is our mango. Next. Next letter is N. N says N, N, N. N-E-T. Net. So let's draw the net. This is net. N says N, N. Net. Next letter is O. O says O, 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 O. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Orange. This is an orange. O says O, O, O. This is the letter P. P. P says P, P, P. Then P for pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Now let's draw the pencil. P for pencil. P says P, P, P. This is letter Q. Q says Qua, Qua, Qua. Q for quilt. Q-U-I-L-T. Quilt, quilt. Now let's draw the quilt. This is the quilt. Q for quilt. Q says Qua, Qua, Qua. Next letter is R. R says R for ring. R-I-N-G. Ring. So let's draw the ring. This is the ring. R says ring. R says This is letter S. S is S. S, S. S for sun. S-U-N. Sun. So let's draw the sun. S is S. S, S. S is for sun. S, S, S. T. T says T, T, T. T for tap. T-A-P. Tap. Let's draw the tap. Let's draw the tap. This is the tap. T for tap. Tap. T says T, T, T. This is U. U says A, 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 A. U for umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Let's draw an umbrella. U for umbrella. U says A, 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 A. This is letter V. V says V for van. V-A-N. Van. So let's draw the van. V says this is the van. W. W says V, V, V. W for watermelon. W-A-T, water. M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. This is the watermelon. Letter X. X is X, 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 X. X for X-ray. R-A-Y. X-ray. This is the bones which we see in the X-ray. This is the X-ray. This is letter Y. Y says Y, Y, Y. Y for yo-yo. Y-O, Y-O, yo-yo. And let's draw the yo-yo. Yo-yo. Next letter is Z. Z. Z says Z. So Z for zoo. Zoo. Z says Z. Z for zoo. So let's draw the zoo. Zoo. Now let's see all the letter sounds one time. A, B, 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 K, 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 D, 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 E, A. G, G, G. I, I. J, J, J. K, K, K. L, L, L. A, A, A. Qua, qua, qua. S, S, S. T, T, T. A, A, A. V, V, V. V, V, V. X, X, X. Y, Y, Y. Z, Z, Z. Thank you so much, friends.